What's up, YouTube? I have a Tempstar unit up here up in the attic. Unit is about 20 years old. The heater stopped working. Basically, when I turn the unit on, this blower here starts running, and it just keeps running. No hot air comes out. So I came up here, removed the cover, and I started measuring all the connectors, as you can see inside with the voltmeter. Everything had power, and what I realized, I believe this part right here is called the heater controller or the pilot controller. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not a professional. I don't know much about these units, so I pretty much, when I started measuring this connector right here, it was loose, so it started working and it kind of dropped down again. So I just used the zip tie, as you can see right here. Just use the zip tie and lift up this connector right here. As it was loose, it was hanging down, and it wasn't giving that 100% connectivity to the board inside this plastic cover. There's actually a board. What I know is there's a board at the bottom inside this plastic cover with 3 pins soldered into the board, and that's where that connection connects to. So the zip tie fixed the issue. Next step would be, if this doesn't work or stops working and still the issue is this connector, I will take the plastic cover out and take the board out, solder the 3 pins, and put them back together. This part right here is kind of pricey. I looked it up online. It's going for $250. Again, I'm not exactly sure. It's some kind of controller that controls this unit, this section right here, for when the gas gets released, when the pilot goes on and the flame starts shooting out there. So it's $250 for the part. I'll have someone replace it. That would be an additional few $100. So this zip tie is doing the work. I've been using it for a while, so it's working. No issues. It's running. This piece doesn't get, this is the gas pipe that comes down, as you can see up here. So this pipe doesn't get, it doesn't get hot. Don't worry about this. It's not going to melt anything. This is just a gas pipe, and this is all plastic down here, so it won't cause any issues. No, it's all plastic, so it's all safe. Worst case scenario would be just the zip tie is going to give up or break or whatever the case is, and this is going to come down again. Anyway, hope this video is helpful. Hope you can get your heater up and working and save yourself a few $100. And again, this was a Tempstar unit. I didn't see too many Tempstar units online or videos about Tempstar units. I also replaced the board. Some blogs explained to replace talked about replacing the board, the controller. Unfortunately, that did not fix the issue. The boards are running for about $25-30, maybe $40 used on eBay. Brand new ones are going for like $100, $120. But anyhow, that didn't fix the issue. So here it is. Zip tie fixed the problem. So good luck. Peace out.